up, folks at home? My name is Eric Madden, I'm a professional carpenter. I'm going to show you how to set sheetrock tape. First thing we do is we make a rough cut like this. We make this big and we just follow the wall like that. Tear it off. Now you fold your tape. Take your tape, and there's a little crease in it. You're going to follow that crease. You're going to fold this like that. Now you're going to take it and you're going to cut it like this. So you got a little point. See what that does? I'll do the same thing for the other side. You could cut this by just making sure that it's going to work like that. See how that is? Okay, now just set that aside for a minute. You want to take your knife, your mud in your pan, and put it on just one side of the knife like this. Start out one side at a time, like that. Now put it on the other side and come up. Sometimes you'll see people put it on the whole knife and go sideways. What that does is that gets it nice and deep into the corner. Make it somewhat smooth, but you want a nice bed in there for that tape to work. Now you set this down. 6-inch knife is always going to be one you want to use for this. Stick it in that corner, as high as it needs to go. Get it good and in there. All the way in, all the way up and down. So you got it good and in there. Now I like to start right in the middle, because if you start at the top, it wants to wrinkle. So just do this lightly. Just go up. And I kind of turn the knife and scrape it like that. And all the way down. Careful you don't pick up shit from the bottom. And that's it. You're going to leave that dry for a while. You're going to go around and set the rest of your tape. And then you're going to come back and I'll show you how to do the rest of them.